Yeah, good evening everyone. We'll start the session within 10 minutes because of due to some internet problem. Yeah, thank you.
Hello. Hello. Hi guys. Is it my voice is audible? Hello. Mandeep. Banu. Sudhakar. Is there anybody else? Yeah. Okay. So everyone, I hope happy with the yesterday's session. So I'm going to here start the new session is surface and line models. So may I know the meaning of a surface? Anyone? Hello. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Usually, the line models are necessary is used to perform the analysis on line models like 1D elements. In the same way, the surface models are also used to perform the analysis on planar models, that is 2D models. Actually, the 1D models are nothing but the axis which is going to occupying the only one dimensional view. That may be a x-axis, y-axis, or a z-axis. But in the same way, when come to the part of a surface, it's going to occupying any two axis. That is nothing but the two-dimensional model. That is xy or yz or zx. Majority of these models are highly developed to work on the very less thickness and surface bodies in the concept of 2D models. In the same way, we have to work on the line models that should be in the concept of a one dimension like a rods, like a pipes. So these are will undercome for majority of a one dimension module. So let me do some examples by using a surface models and using a line models for today's class. If possible, I will done both the things. If it is not possible, I will complete with at least a line models. Yeah. Here I am going first. Hi guys, is it my share is my screen share is available? A lot of people is there. So can you please
Yes, sir.
anyone?
Yes, sir. It
Yeah.
is
Yes,
available,
sir.
sir.
Yeah.
Available,
Okay.
sir.
Thank you. Sorry for delay because of some internet problem. But
No issue, sir.
yeah, I'm going for as usual. Looking at option, and in the same way, I have given a small description regarding the part of a surface models and a line models. So actually, the surface is nothing but the outermost layer of the body, which is maybe having a thickness from 0.1 mm to n mm. Depends upon the requirement of a customer, of a requirement of a market. We are going to incrementing and decrementing the thickness of the layer, but it doesn't exceed more than 2 mm in my point of view as a standard view. In the same way, we are going to working on the line models. So the line models which is having is nothing but occupying a only one direction, that is x, that may be a y, that may be a z, which occupies only one direction, that is x or y or z. We are not confirmed whether it will be occupying x or y or z, but still it needs one direction. Example a steel rod. We don't know how we can place the steel rod. It can access complete 360 degrees in the same way as the same direction as the same output. So that is the reason we are going to using a one-dimensional body considering as a rod. In the same way, we can select a face, a rectangular surface, a pentagon surface, whatever it may be. It will be undercome for the part of a X, Y, or Y, Z, or Z, X. So it will undergo for the part of a complete two-dimensional axis. Here I am going to creating the first of all a line model. So let me give a small little bit of time to enhance these things. I would like to sketch. I would like to sketch yeah. I'm gone for sketching, right click. Usually look at I'm going to preparing some points by using a sketching. First of all, construction point 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 number 5, point number 6.
Sir, no voice is there, sir.
Hello, okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. So I don't know the actually it was disconnected. Okay, let me wanna do something. So I'm going to creating here again. So some point, some point, some point, and I would like to enhance again generate. I would like to go on for again a modeling, and before that I would like to do sketching. So everywhere I'm going to providing some dimensions, general dimensions from here to here, from here to here, from here to here, from here to here, here to here, here to here, here to here, here to here. Yeah. Usually I'm going to creating same distance in between 25. 25 for here, 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 25 for here. So this is my sketch, and I have used something, and I would like to enhance one more dimension here between these things. So again 25, and I would like to enhance. So the things are very similar for here. and I would like to go for generate, and I enhance the new sketch again by using a modeling. So generate here, model, and I would like to enhance the sketching part type. Sorry. So generate. So plane, open here, none. Okay, it's not evaluated. Right click, delete. Yes. And in the same way, sketch, select, none should be opened. Opposite to offset of x should be provided some 35 meters. Generate. Now I would like to do open here, sketch, right click, always show sketch, sketching, and in the same way, construction point number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9. Let me wanna check whether they are available in a plane 2 or not. I would like to check. So it's not available. Gone for generate, modeling. So plane 1. So that it doesn't available over there. And I would like to delete the sketch number 1 again. Delete, yes. So it's not a proper way. I did a mistake. Sketching, construction number 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right click. Okay. Now I would like to assign the dimensions. Generally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I would like to enhance some distance in between 25 usually, and usually 25 again, and usually 25 again, and usually 25 again, and usually 25 again. Enter again, 25 enter. So those are all my availabilities, and I will check everyone will be in the same pattern. I'm going for generate for modeling, and here right click, show always sketch. Gone for sketch number 2, plane, right click, usually offset to ZX, 35 enter, generate. So select, right click, look at the option, usually sketching, construction point, again number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. So generate. So I would like to check it whether they have formed or not. So guys, would you have any observance chance? Maybe the points are available in your screen. Okay, Mandeep.
Sir, points we are visible, sir. Points are visible.
Points, yeah, we need to construct those points by using the different types of lines. Let me wait 2 more minutes. Okay, yeah.
Sir, are these dimensional points, sir?
Yeah, what?
Sir, dimension points are these dimension points?
Yeah, dimensions, we have to go for similar dimensions, 25, 35, 40, depends upon your convenience.
Correct, sir.
Design based convenience, okay. And I would like to go on for the next modeling. is nothing but the next plane. Usually open here as usual offset to Z. Again 35 enter. Generate. So show the sketch part again. Always show sketch. Right click. Generate. Plane right click. Look at. Now I would like to enhance any 2 points over here, any 4 points over here, sketching construction. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. So generate. So these are the formation of points, and I would like to go on for concepts. The first one is concept for today's session is lines from points. So with the help of control, select the point 1, point 2, point 2, point 3, point 3, point 4, point 5, point 6, point 7, point 8, point 9, point 10, 11, 12. So this is the sketch number 1. And in the same way 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This is the how we connecting. Okay. Okay.
Right, sir.
Again, yeah. Again connection. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have the last one but not least one. Connect the points by usually 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Again here we can construct 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. This is the one type of design like a truss bodies. Okay. Apply, generate. Okay. Okay with you guys, the screen is maybe available. So I would like to add some concept to this for a cross section. So I would like to add cross section should be a circular cross section like this. So circular cross section should be, I am going to provide 1.5 meters. Generate. So open here the cross section body plus select the line body and select here the circular profile, generate and make it close. So this is how we have done. And I am closing for design modeler. And I am gone for mesh option. So okay with the screen, guys? Is it available?
Yes, sir. Now we can see the screen, sir.
Yeah, let me wait for 2 more minutes. So it's going to authorizing. So we need to run the overall progress at least once in a program execution time. Okay, everyone will have to wait. Maybe everyone will observe here overall progress is going to run. Okay.
Right, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So there is a missing of identity. Let me wait. So there is an available. Okay. Yeah. So this is the one type of module. Here we have applied some mesh model. So right click, generate the mesh. So would you got the circular output? Okay.
Right, sir.
So we have done with the circular one. If you have any doubt in the front, hello. Maybe someone is traveling. Okay. Please someone has to
Sir,
mute.
please mute him, sir.
Yeah. So this is the circular cross section of a design. Okay. This is the circular cross section of a design, and we can go on for the find mesh, and in the same way you will go on for the generating of mesh. So this is the one of the finest example for meshing. So when you observe about the when last class, it will be in the circular mesh. Okay.
Right, sir.
Maybe Sudhakar.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Sudhakar.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Maybe yesterday's class is regarding the completely rectangular mesh. When
Yes,
you
yes,
observe
right.
here, it should be different. It should be different circular mesh. Okay.
Yes,
But not at
based
all.
on our design.
Yeah.
Based on our design, mesh changes.
Yeah. Based on curvature of the design.
Curvature, okay, right.
The boundary is nothing but a curvature of the design. It will completely depends upon the curvature of the design. We will go on for here. In the same way here, if you can change the type of method, like a method example, so we can usually add the automatic module. It's nothing but selection. In the same way, I accept it. Now we can go on for automatic should be enhanced. So it doesn't available for a tetrahedral or anything else. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So we don't have a chance to apply. So it will be a usual mesh. It doesn't involve us. So remaining like that. Okay.
Okay, right.
So this is the truss body meshing and truss body design by using a different type of analysis. Okay.
Okay.
So in the same way, I am going to creating a one type of construction module. I would like to give one more example. I'm going to closing this.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. So here it is the new profile page. It's available over here again. I'm going to sharing here. So I would like to select, right click again, and I'm going for online point should be a 5 over here exactly. So 5 points. Construction point number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So I would like to assign some distances. Everyone is going to maybe confusion part of little bit. So without the disturbance, we need to work on the everywhere, every proper dimension. So due to this, the points may disturb or may disappear from that your selection position. So let us properly select your dimensions without any disturbance. It's my sincere request to you guys. Don't disturb your points. So if you want to repeat your dimension, it will give you an error in a red mark session. That is the key point you put in your mind, and you can conclude the remaining things. Hope you can everyone follow. Like this. Maybe everyone should look like it was a somewhat little bit clumsy.
Sir,
Yeah.
I
చాలా clumsy గా.
కాదు సార్
Yeah.
నాకు కనిపించట్లేదు స్క్రీన్.
స్క్రీన్ కనిపించట్లేదా? స్క్రీన్ జూమ్ ఇన్ లో కనిపించట్లేదా? కనిపించట్లేదు.
మామూలుగా నాకు కనిపించట్లేదు సార్, నేమ్స్ వచ్చాయి.
లేదు, స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేశాను ఒకసారి. సో ఒకసారి మీరు ఈ పోర్ట్రేట్ వ్యూని ఒకసారి చెక్ చేసుకోండి. మీరు హారిజాంటల్ నుంచి వర్టికల్ లోకి వస్తే వెళ్ళిపోతున్నారు.
Yeah, please once rotate your mobiles in horizontally, and then you can see the clarity images. Okay, please rotate your mobiles into the horizontally. Yeah, thank you.
ఓకే సుధాకర్, వచ్చిందా?
రాలేదు సార్, రాలేదు.
యాక్చువల్ గా అయితే ఇక్కడ ప్రాపర్ గా కనిపిస్తుంది. ఐ హావ్ కనెక్టెడ్ 2 డివైసెస్. ఒక డివైస్ కాదు, 2 డివైస్ కనెక్ట్ చేశాను. నాకైతే ప్రాపర్ గా కనిపిస్తుంది.
ఓకే ఓకే.
సో మేక్ ఇట్ రీజాయిన్.
Yeah, rotate and horizontal and zoom in the your picture more. Okay, and then you see the clear images. All connections are under. Okay.
ఓకే ఓకే.
ఓకే సుధాకర్.
లేదు సార్, నాకు రాలేదు.
రావట్లేదా? మీరు ఒకసారి కట్టే రీజాయిన్ అవ్వండి.
ఓకే ఓకే.
షుడ్ గో ఫర్ బ్యాక్ అండ్ అగైన్ రీజాయిన్.
ఓకే ఓకే సార్, థాంక్యూ సార్.
యా షూర్. లిటిల్ బిట్ ఫాస్ట్. ఓకే మందీప్.
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir.
Is it the screen is available for you?
Sir, screen is available, sir.
Yeah, okay. I'm going to changing the dimensions. 10 enter. 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 So usually I'm going to applying same 10 meters to the all remaining things. Sudhakar.
సార్ కన్స్ట్రైనింగ్ ఉండిద్దా సార్ వీటిలో
Yeah,
కన్స్ట్రైనింగ్ ఉండిద్దా సార్ పాయింట్స్
constraining, it doesn't completely depends upon the constraining. So మీకు అంత ఎగ్జాక్ట్ గా చెప్పాలి అంటే we need to use the constraining. It should be nothing but a general dimension. Okay.
ఓకే సార్
So if you don't want to miss the in between distance as a complete trust body, so we don't want to miss out the things. Okay, that's why I needed these things. So maybe it was completely disturbed.
yes sir
Yeah, okay. I will use the one more design. So I have expected something, a big component, but it was completely clumsy. Yeah.
Sir, screen is not available, sir.
No, I am not done it.
Okay, sir, no issue.
Maybe it is available right now. Yeah, okay. Okay with you guys?
Yes, sir, screen is not seen.
Yeah, okay, thank you. So would like to do again a new thing, our session. So file as usually generate and gone for modeling and a sketch plane. Select right click, and I would like to enhance. Usually offset is 25 at least, or at least we have to change the some nearby design. Okay, 20 nearby, and I would like to enhance generate. I'm opening here, right click, always show sketch, plane, right click, look at is my option, and I'm gone for sketching again. Construction points again, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9. And in the same way, I'm gone for generate again. I would like to enhance the plane number, new plane again, new plane. Okay, right click, show always sketch again, generate, right click, look at sketching, construction point again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I would like to enhance the new plane again, modeling, open. I would like to sketch, always show sketch, new plane, and I would like to enhance. My option should be convenient for everyone, so should need to go plane number 6, right click, should open at the here itself, some 20 again, generate. So here the plane again, none. So none again. Plane number 4 is sketch. Okay, yeah. Okay, no issue. Right click, look at, and I would like to enhance sketching again. Construction number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have created these n modules. So I would like to do again a new plane. So again, I would like to work on the new plane. Is this? So it should be offset to Z, and it should be minus. I'm providing minus 10 value. Generate. Open here. Sketch has to be show always sketch. So minus 10 is doesn't place. So 10 we can place. Generate. Okay. So I would like to work on the plane number 7. Right click instantly. Again, in the same way, I would like to construction points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Guys, the line and the surface models are somewhat little bit poor. So it's my humble request to stay somewhat better patiently. It's my humble request. Okay. Lines from
Right,
point.
sir.
Yeah. Thank you. With the help of control 1, 2, you need to match the points in proper time. Yeah, first thing was done, doesn't incrementing more than this, and in the same way 1 to 2, and in the same way 1 to next, and in the same way here to here. Those are the startup points, and I would like to enhance in the same way. Connectivity is the main problem. Everyone will make patience while doing this type of design orientations in your practice role or job role. Okay, again construct, again construct, again construct. Sorry, Control Z. Reselect the point. So okay, need to continue. So again 1, again 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, again 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And in the same way, we have a last option, but not least option. That's your module. Okay, guys, this was up to done. So it will be called as sum of the people. So the building structural design. This will be called as a building structural design for very few people. But here I am going for cross section, and I would like to done recently the circular is okay, and I would like to assign the cross section should be rectangular tube, and I would like to enhance everything should be 1 meter without any disturbance. So the cross section will doesn't make it same. I'm going for 0.75. 1 enter. So it is also in the same way cross section. It doesn't make same thing. 0.75. It doesn't mates, and I would like to 0.50. So warning, make cross section. Okay. 1 enter. So again in the same way of cross section, 1 enter. So I'm going for same as usually generate. So this was the thing I have applied in the concept. So rectangular tube, I'm open here line type. I'm applied the rectangular tube and generate. It was applied, that was be viewed by cross section of solids. So everything is available, the rectangular concept. So would you got the rectangular output? So let us observe this somewhat deeply. Here itself purely available. Okay, guys.
Right,
Hello?
sir.
Yeah. In the same way, you can offer the here again one more type. One more thing is the again one more example. The cross section should be is nothing but a C channel. Channel C I am going to avail applying. Line body should be open and rectangular tube should be changed to channel C. And I am going to generating. So before that channel, you will asking about the dimensions. Again, sorry. Again 1 enter. And in the same way 1 enter. And in the same way 1 enter. In the same way 1 enter. So it doesn't allow us again. I'm going for C option. So let me generate on okay. Line body selection. Channel number 1. Channel number 1. Generate. So view cross section. Cross sectional solids. Let us see whether it was applied with a C or not. So it was purely applied with a C. Okay, let us observe this phase. It was a C section. Okay, here observe the C section. So if you don't have a clarity regarding this part, we will go on for the next meshing part and we will get the complete clarity.
It's a little bit difficult, sir, this one.
Yeah. I will give you an explanation part. You will see the complete details regarding the part of how the C section is available. Okay.
Right, sir.
Yeah. So here I am going to sharing the final screen. Yeah. I'm going to sharing. So it's yeah, okay. So let us observe here once whether it was available or not. Yeah. Okay with you guys? Yeah. So here I am going for the usual mesh. Right click, generating the mesh. Yeah. So it will be available. If you observe over here, there is a pure term of C channel will be available over here. So let us observe this channel C. Okay. When you observe over here, there is availability of pure C channel.
Correct, sir. C channel
Yeah,
is
okay.
there, sir.
Yeah, C channel. So depends upon your requirements. and platforms and patterns. You can increment and decrement the different type of sizes with respect to their type of variations, which are highly available in the concept of lines from points, which is having in a cross sections. Okay. So that is your session for today's class. From tomorrow onwards, I'm going to starting the main session from the static structure analysis. That is from structural models. Okay.
Right, sir.
Okay. Is there anybody else to talk with me or anything else regarding the part of design? Is there anything regarding the part of analysis, the concept of lines from points, guys? Sudhakar?
Sir, one request is, sir, if you can provide us the video, sir, we can see and practice, sir. Otherwise, sir, it is number of steps is becoming more and more daily.
Yeah, actually, I updated my authority. He will do anything. No issue. I will update right now. Okay.
Please, sir.
Maybe
Right.
they will update. Maybe that was uploaded in a uploaded in a YouTube. You have a direct YouTube link. Okay. Okay, with you, Mandir.
Right, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. So this is the up to introduction part of a design and how we can go for a different type of design skills by using a different type of different design tools, especially. So we can do different. Sorry, we can go for the next sessions. That should be completely depends upon the types of analysis we have, like a static structural, model, harmonic, transient, transient thermal, and steady state thermal. Those are the top 5 sessions. We are going to working on upcoming classes with proper design and proper analysis parts with respect to selected materials and selected factors, which is having a loads and a fixed parts. Okay. Yeah. Shall I sign off?
Right,
Guys.
sir.
Yeah, Sudhakar. Hello. Sudhakar and Banu